Hey guys, it's Brandon back again with WP Guards. This video is going to be on WordPress themes, changing the themes and kind of configuring the theme that you have on your WordPress site. So let's get started. Again, right here, I'm back into my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to show you real quick what theme that I have on there now. I'm going to show you, here's the site that I have now. And so notice how this theme is, pretty bad. I haven't done anything. But so say you want to change this theme to something else. And how you're going to do that is right here, you're back in the dashboard, you're going to go to Appearance, Themes. And there's two ways to change your theme. You can either, one, look at a new theme on through the WordPress site, or you can add a new one through a zip file. So I'll show you both right here. So say you've actually purchased a theme through something like the Envato market or some market that you've purchased the theme on and you only have a zip file. How you're going to do that is you take the zip file and you go to upload theme, you choose the file and select whichever zip file it should be. There should be directions when you purchase the theme, and then once you have that, you install now, and then you're going to be able to activate that theme live. So that's how to do it with a zip file. Now, to find a theme just simply through the WordPress, you simply stay in the add themes, and you're able to actually go through all of their different ones. And so these are all free. You can find which one you want. You can go to popular. There's feature and stuff like that. This is showing that these three have already been installed, but you're able to go through. And this is actually really nice, this feature filter. So you can actually click on the things that you want within your site. So if I want maybe a black website, I want a responsive layout, and maybe a featured image header, and say it's a holiday, I'm able to set all of these filters as I am looking for a thing. So I can apply these filters, and it's going to show the different ones that there are that relate to these filters. So let's just say I like this one right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preview it. I always recommend previewing the theme first. Make sure that you read up on it and it's got everything that you want. This is important. So it's also good to just look through it, make sure that you like the look, the feel. This is the fonts that it comes with, and some of the elements, they're all right in here. And so it's always good to look at that. So say I love it. It's got 5 stars, 62 people have rated on it. So it looks good. I simply just want to click on install. Now, when I install, it's going to take a couple of seconds here. And as it's installing, I'm just going to explain, you're going to be able to edit a lot of this different stuff. And I'll show you that in the appearance customization section once this theme is actually installed. But it looks like it's now done. So it says it's successfully installed. And I always recommend doing a live preview. I'm going to open it up in another tab here. And this is important because you want to see what this theme is going to look like on the site that you have already built. And so let's check it out. It's loading right now. Now, I'm going to warn you, it's not going to look pretty because I don't have a whole lot of stuff anyways. But notice how it's going to actually already keep in all of this information. So as you can tell, this already looks a whole lot better than what I had. And so say I'm happy with what I got right here. You're just going to simply save and activate. And so once it's activated, and it will bring you actually to the URL. So this is the front page of my WordPress site now, and this is what I have. So it already looks a lot better than what I had previously. Now, I'm going to show you how to simply customize your theme. So depending upon the theme, you're going to have different options on how to customize, say, background colors and stuff like that. And so I'm going to show you right here. I'm just going to go through this real quick. This one has quite a bit of things, which is really good. So I can show you a bunch of different stuff. So within the customization, you can again change your theme. I don't want to. I just downloaded this theme. So let's go to site identity. You can change your site title along with your tagline. Site title is what shows up in your tab up here, and it also shows right here. And this is the tagline. Let's just say changing theme. Whoa, if I can spell that right. All right, so changing theme. Now notice that this site is refreshing. Before you ever have to save and publish, it will always give you a preview of what your changes look like. So notice how this changed the changing theme. So that's awesome because before I save and publish it, I can preview it. And so nothing is going live to the site until I'm fully satisfied with what I've done. Here's colors options. I have options to do whatever I want with the colors. Say the background color. I want to change to this red, just some random color. Again, it's gray. Sorry, but so this is going to be the background color. And notice, hey, maybe I like this. I'm going to keep that. Or I can do a different. I can do color schemes too. Maybe I want a darker color scheme. So you have something like that. So there's different options that you have. I recommend playing around with it, making sure it looks good in this preview, and then at the end of doing everything, make sure you save and publish it for it to go live on the site. Again, header, image, and logo. You can set a header image if you like. Here's a logo. You're able to add logos. You can either add these with content that are in your media folders, or you can add them straight from the site. So if I wanted to do that, I would do it right there. You can add a background image. This is probably going to be an image back here instead of this gray background. So that's an option you have. Menus, you're able to add menus straight here. So this one it supports two different menus. One of those menus are right here, and you can add them through this. But I recommend actually going into appearance menus to change anything like that. Because this theme doesn't support it in the customization section. So I wouldn't worry about it here. The next part is widgets. You're able to change up the widgets and stuff like that. Again, in the appearance widget section, you're going to have a little bit better time editing and seeing what options you have. So I recommend doing it there. It's just a little bit easier. You have something for the static front page. So right now, this front page is displaying the latest post. So if I'm doing a blog and I have blog posts, it's going to display my latest post right here. And you can already tell that there are some blogs. So this is the one we actually did today. My blog posts are right here. And if you don't want your blog post to go up on the front page, you want to just set it to a static page. And then that means that the front page is going to be, all the information is going to be static and will not change. So you can set it up which either way you prefer. They have some theme options. You can go through all the theme options. Again, depending upon the theme, you're going to have different options, stuff like that. And so I highly recommend, after you install a theme, going through this customization section and just going and making sure that you have the site looking the way you want it. And then say I'm set. I went through everything and I like how it looks. You just want to make sure you go up here, save and publish. And what that's going to do is it's going to change this front page. So this was what we had before. Now, if I refresh it, it's going to show you the new theme and the new appearance that we've created in the customization. So really cool, really easy. It's always great to take advantage of previewing the site before you're making changes to the actual site. This way you don't have to lose anything. And if you make a change and before you save and publish it and you don't like it, you can always revert it back without any harm. So some awesome tools I would really recommend getting familiar with and playing around with so you know how to use it, because it could save you a whole lot of time and a lot of pain and misery if you do it the right way. So that is how to install a new theme onto your website and customize it a bit. I really hope this helps. Thanks very much for watching.